Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to save Luther in Detroit become human. To ensure Luther's survival, you must consistently make choices that prioritize his safety and maintain a strong bond with Kara. Your decisions in key chapters, particularly during moments of danger, are paramount. Always choose options that protect your group and avoid unnecessary risks. Remember, a high relationship status with Kara is essential for Luther to make it through to the end of their journey. During the Midnight Train chapter, your actions are crucial. When Rose asks you to hide the deviants, choose to conceal them in the attic. This keeps them out of immediate sight. Later, when the police arrive, absolutely do not open the door. Remain hidden and successfully complete the quick-time events to avoid detection. These careful steps are vital for keeping Luther and the others safe from discovery by the authorities. The Crossroads chapter presents a critical challenge for Luther. During the raid on Jericho, Luther will unfortunately be shot and injured. It is imperative that you choose to help him in this moment. Do not abandon him. You must then successfully complete the subsequent quick-time events to protect him from further harm and ensure his escape alongside Kara and Alice. This choice directly impacts his ability to continue with your group. In the final chapter, Battle for Detroit, your choices at the bus station are decisive. To ensure Luther's survival, you must choose to sacrifice Jerry or another available character to create a diversion for the guards. Under no circumstances should you choose to surrender, as this will tragically result in Luther's death. Your ultimate goal is to successfully cross the border into Canada with Kara, Alice, and Luther, securing their freedom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.